Hello, everyone. Welcome to our comprehensive review of Chase Bank. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at the services Chase offers, its pros and cons, and whether it might be the right bank for you. We'll break down the key features, account options, and customer experience to help you make an informed decision. Remember, all the numbers and symbols will be spelled out for clarity, so let's dive in. Chase Bank is one of the largest and most well-known banks in the United States, boasting over 4,500 branches and 15,000 ATMs nationwide. It offers a wide range of financial products and services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment options. Chase is known for its strong branch network, but it also provides robust online and mobile banking tools. Chase Bank has several advantages that make it a popular choice for many customers. One of the biggest benefits is its extensive branch network, allowing customers to access in-person banking services conveniently. If you prefer handling your banking needs face-to-face, Chase's numerous physical locations are a significant plus. Another notable advantage is the rewards for customer loyalty. Chase offers various perks and benefits to customers who maintain multiple accounts with the bank. These can include lower fees, better interest rates, and special promotions. Chase's online and mobile banking tools are user-friendly and comprehensive. You can manage your accounts, pay bills, transfer funds, and even deposit checks from your smartphone. This convenience is a big draw for tech-savvy customers who prefer to handle their banking needs on the go. Customer service is another area where Chase shines. The bank has received good customer service ratings, and it offers multiple channels for assistance, including phone support, online chat, and in-person help at branches. While Chase has many strengths, it also has some drawbacks. One of the main criticisms is its low annual percentage yields on savings accounts and certificates of deposit. Compared to online banks, Chase's interest rates are relatively unimpressive, which can be a disadvantage if you're looking to maximize your savings growth. Chase also charges monthly service fees for many of its checking and savings accounts. These fees range from $5 to $25 per month, depending on the account type. While there are ways to waive these fees, such as making direct deposits or maintaining a minimum balance, other banks offer accounts with no monthly fees at all. Chase Bank provides a variety of checking account options to suit different needs. The most popular is the Chase Total Checking Account. It offers essential banking services like ATM access and check writing privileges with a modest monthly fee that can be waived with qualifying activities. However, it lacks some of the premium features, such as ATM fee reimbursements, found in other Chase checking accounts. Another option is the Chase Premier Plus checking account, which offers additional benefits, including no fees for using non-Chase ATMs and interest on your balance. There is also the Chase Sapphire checking account, designed for high net worth individuals, providing exclusive perks and higher interest rates. For those who prefer a more straightforward account, the Chase Secure Banking account has a low monthly fee and no overdraft fees. It includes access to Chase's extensive ATM network and online banking tools. Chase offers two main savings accounts, the Chase Savings Account and the Chase Premier Savings Account. The Chase Savings Account has a low monthly fee, which can be easily waived by meeting specific criteria, such as maintaining a minimum balance or setting up automatic transfers. The account includes useful features like an automatic savings tool, helping customers save money effortlessly. However, the interest rate on this account is relatively low, reflecting the typical trend among brick-and-mortar banks. The Chase Premier Savings Account offers a slightly higher interest rate and additional benefits for customers who also have a Chase checking account. This relationship can lead to better rates and fee waivers, making it a more attractive option for those who already bank with Chase. Chase Bank provides a range of CD terms from 1 month to 10 years, allowing customers to choose the duration that best fits their needs. The minimum deposit to open a Chase Standard CD is $1,000. While Chase's CD rates are not the highest on the market, They offer flexibility with their wide range of terms. To get the best rates, customers need to qualify for Chase's CD relationship rates, which require a linked personal checking account. This can be a drawback for those who do not want to maintain multiple accounts with Chase. Chase Bank has received strong customer satisfaction ratings, especially in terms of in-person service. It achieved the highest score in J.D. Power's 2021 Retail Banking Satisfaction Study in 4 regions and above average scores in the remaining regions surveyed. However, online reviews paint a mixed picture. On Trustpilot, Chase has a rating of 1.3 out of 5, which is typical for large banks. The Better Business Bureau rates Chase as A-, indicating that the bank generally responds to customer complaints effectively. The Chase mobile app is well rated, with a 4.8 out of 5 stars on the App Store and 4.4 out of 5 stars on Google Play. Users appreciate the app's functionality, which includes the ability to view all accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and access statements. However, some users report issues with slow PDF loading. One of Chase Bank's significant advantages is its extensive network of branches and ATMs. With over 4,500 branches and 15 ATMs, customers have easy access to banking services across the country. Most ATMs are available 24 hours a day, providing flexibility for cash withdrawals and deposits. When comparing Chase Bank with other financial institutions, it is essential to consider your priorities. For instance, Bank of America is another large brick-and-mortar bank that offers numerous branches and perks for loyal customers. However, Bank of America has fewer branches than Chase, but may provide better rewards for loans and credit card use. On the other hand, Citibank focuses on offering high interest rates and no account fees, sacrificing physical branch access. If you are comfortable with online banking and want to maximize your interest earnings, Citibank might be a better fit. Chase Bank is an excellent option for those who value a combination of in-person banking and robust online tools. Its extensive branch network, comprehensive account options, and strong customer service make it a top choice for many. However, if you prioritize high interest rates on savings or prefer accounts with no monthly fees, you might want to consider other banks. Overall, Chase Bank offers a solid banking experience with a variety of products to meet different financial needs. Whether you're looking for a basic checking account, a flexible savings option, or a secure place to invest your money in CDs, Chase has something to offer. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!